In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Claude AI account. By the end, you'll be signed in and ready to explore, with a clear understanding of what each screen is asking for and why. Start by opening your preferred web browser. A modern, up-to-date browser helps pages load correctly and keeps your connection secure. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press enter. From the results, look for the official Claude site. It should clearly show the Claude AI domain. Click that result. If you see sponsored links at the top, make sure you're selecting the genuine site before continuing. On the Claude homepage, find the option to sign in or get started. You can continue with a Google account or use an email address. Choose the option that suits you. If you continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account and approve the connection. If you use email, enter your email address and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm your email or create a password if it's your first time. Just move through each prompt steadily. Nothing here should take long. Next, the setup will guide you through a few quick questions to tailor your experience. You'll be asked to share how you plan to use Claude and to choose a category that best fits your needs, like work, study, or personal projects. This helps the platform offer more relevant tips and examples. Take a moment to pick the category that matches your goals. You can usually adjust it later if your needs change. You may also be asked to provide a phone number for verification. This step helps protect your account and keep access secure. Enter the number carefully and follow the prompts on the screen. If a confirmation code is sent, enter it exactly as shown. If you don't receive it right away, wait a moment and check for any message filters before requesting another code. Once you've completed the questions and any verification steps, your account is ready. You can now use and explore Claude. Start by opening a new conversation and typing a simple prompt to see how it responds. If you're new to AI assistance, keep your first requests clear and specific, and consider adding context so Claude can give you more accurate results. You can also visit the settings area later to review your preferences and learn more about available features. That's it. Your Claude AI account is set up. Enjoy exploring and remember to keep your prompts clear, your expectations realistic, and your personal information private.